Imagine a space bathed in soft light, furnished with clean lines and natural textures that exudes both warmth and functionality. That is the essence of Scandinavian decor, a design movement inspired by the Nordic countries of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. This trend goes beyond just aesthetics. It's about creating a haven of comfort and simplicity, perfectly suited for modern living. Scandinavian decor is a beautiful marriage of minimalism and functionality. Think clean lines, light and airy spaces, and a focus on natural materials. It is all about creating a calm and inviting atmosphere that promotes a sense of well-being. As one of the interior design styles that shaped the modern interior design in the 20th century, some of its features resemble modernism. These include those clean lines, minimal decoration, and the importance of artwork. Central to Scandinavian design is the Danish concept, which translates to feelings of warmth, coziness, and contentment. This is achieved through a neutral color palette of whites, grays, and blues, with pops of color from nature-inspired hues like light greens and browns. The style also reflects the wintry landscape and skies of the Nordic countries. Many Scandinavian interiors feature elements that are straightforward and natural wherever possible. Not only are these spaces practical, but Scandinavian decor is pleasantly tactile. Raw textures in textiles and handmade items certainly give Scandi home decor an earthy touch, while woods, leather, and pelts add warmth to the cool color scheme. Scandinavian furniture is known for its simplicity and functionality. Think of those sleek wooden chairs, plush sofas, and uncluttered shelves. Every piece of furniture should serve a purpose. Choose storage ottomans, coffee tables with hidden compartments, and keep all your shelving sleek and clutter-free. Decor should be minimal and purposeful, incorporating vintage vines, geometric patterns, and natural textures. Consider creating a curated gallery wall featuring botanical prints, minimalist line art, or black and white photography of Nordic landscapes. Whether it's a line drawing or an abstract watercolor, Scandinavian wall decor often depicts or alludes to nature or the human form. You can showcase your favorite monochrome artwork by itself or in a series of large arrangements. Your Scandinavian countries can reach freezing temperatures, which is why cozy textiles like wool and mohair blankets are essential. Indulge in these soft throws, sheepskin rugs and plush cushions in neutral tones and chunky knits for added comfort and texture. Not only do warming throws add rugs and warmth, but they also soften the sometimes stark look of the minimal Scandinavian interior. These fluffy additions are functional as well as stylish for a textural element. When creating your living room, create a casual layout that encourages social interaction. Start with a light-colored sofa and armchairs, add a plush rug and incorporate a statement coffee table. Layer throw pillows and blankets for texture and hang some nature-inspired artwork above the sofa. Incorporate a few blue accents to stand out against the mostly white, black or grey color scheme. This could be in artwork, decor or ceramics. Lastly, add your greenery. Pot plants are vital, especially to add those extra pops of color. Minimal furniture and plush bedding are your key elements for the Scandinavian bedroom. A platform bed frame in light wood, crisp white bedding with chunky knit throws, and a woven nightstand are all you need to create a calming Scandinavian retreat. Slim table lamps are great. Consider also installing sconces or minimal pendants just above your nightstands. Scandinavian wall decoration is a must. Showcase one or two of your favorite black and white photos or abstract art pieces just above your bed. Finally, a Scandi bedroom definitely needs a pretty pot plant or two to complete that earthy look. Clean lines and light colors reign supreme in a Scandi bathroom. Choose a light wood vanity, white towels and minimalist fixtures. Then add warmth with a woven bath mat and fluffy towels. Add your accent colors that can create contrast, such as pastel tones or black tones, to create drama within the space. The most common type of bath you will find in a Scandinavian themed bathroom is that luxurious freestanding bath. Then remember, just because the Scandi trend is about decluttering your space, it doesn't mean you can't have a few bathroom accessories. Keep to the minimal design while also being a practical Choosing light, neutral tones that reflect light for your kitchen cabinets is the perfect way to create a calm, relaxing feeling in your kitchen. Light wood cabinets, butcher block countertops, and stainless steel appliances create a bright and airy workspace. Woven baskets for storage and hanging plants will add a touch of Scandinavian charm. Scandi kitchens tend to be clutter-free, but are also known for being welcoming and very sociable. Floating shelves are a functional yet beautiful way to display homely touches, such as treasured photographs of your loved ones. Plants can also help to make your kitchen feel warm and welcoming. By incorporating these elements, you can transform your home into a haven of Nordic tranquility, a space that promotes relaxation, connection with nature, and the simple joys of living. If you have enjoyed watching and want to see more inspiring design ideas, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interior design guides. Thanks for watching.